Hi, on this video I'm going to create a loops and waves project using Soundtrap. So I'll just go to Soundtrap that I've already opened up because it takes ages, and I'm going to click on Enter the Studio, and I'll be doing a music one, and I'll be using loops and waves. So I don't really, click on Browse Loops, and here they are. Now you can either, if you delete this, you'll get every loop and wave there, alphabetical order, or you can choose a particular thing. So I think today I'm going to start with a rhythm and blues feel. Let's have a look. Okay, or alright, that sounds interesting. So it's sort of a fanfare kind of sound, so I might try and make a fanfare today. So that's it so far. Now, to make 30 seconds, we need to make sure that the grid settings is in time. So click on time, and you can see 30 seconds actually ends here. So we're sort of halfway done. So we're going to make a 30-second ringtone that we can put on our phone. So we're going to take it up to here for the moment, so we know how far we've got, and then magnify it out. So that's weird. Okay, let's try that again. Okay, there we go. And then go back to the start, perhaps a little less magnified. There it is. Okay, now currently it's looped here, and we don't want to do that. We actually don't want to loop at all. So what we're going to do is we're going to take off that loop thing there. So it's going to go straight through from the beginning to the end. I'll just demonstrate. If you have it here and you press play, it starts again from the start. Take it off and click on here, and it just keeps going. Okay, get the loops back again. And with that, we might have a nice bold synthesizer. Let's try Factory Lunar. Has nothing like what we want. Festive. That sounds nice. Okay, it's very much what we want. So we're going to start with there, we're going to layer it in. So we're going to start with the bass, and then we're going to have that come in. Now that's probably going to have to go up, but you have to be careful you don't get everything too loud. So we're actually going to bring the bass down, which has the same effect as bringing the festive lead up. Let's hear what we've got so far. Good, and I like that one, so let's see what's the other one. Okay. We might actually do that for the second half, because I think that might be a good contrast. We'll see how we go. And final boss. Oh, it's a bit slow section, so let's try that in this section here. And a flute. Doesn't really sound like a flute, does it? But anyway, we'll put that in for the moment. We might actually do something else with that later. And now drums. Oh, okay, so we need to take that off and then just choose drums, and then we've got everything. Okay, so that's a nice intro to maybe just about here, and anthem beat. Okay, so this has been sectioned out. It's terrible. Anthem beat 3, that's a fill. Let's try this one. That's not Anthem. No, not what I'm looking for at all. Okay, I'll have to be fast because this is nope. I want something nice and excited. Let's try this. No. Dear oh dear, there's no exciting drum patterns. Let's go disco then. That'll be interesting. Alright, let's try there. So we put that in, whoops, just after there. And hear what we've got so far. Okay, we've done something wrong here, so I'll need to bring this one across. Should be right on the beat. That's better. Let's try that. I think maybe I put this one in the wrong spot. But we'll have another listen. There we go. Okay, we need some more stuff in there though. Something nice and chordy, maybe. And we've got a disco, so we could probably do anything we like. Well, let's try some piano. Flashy. It's a bit slow. Get it started early. Dear oh dear, I'm not getting very. Alright, we'll just go piano rock, purple. Now there we go. Let's try that. Okay, and it sort of stops halfway. Alright, that's sort of interesting. We might put that halfway through there and then drop that back to here because it doesn't do much in the second half. So let's try that. Okay, that has to go in the start because the pattern's there. Let's try that. Good, and I think I actually might repeat this one. Copy it and put it in the same spot but the next bar along, and even do that once more just there. Let's have a listen to that. Okay, now we've got about halfway, and now I want to change the style, so we're just going to drop that out completely, and we won't have that one, so I'll just delete it and see what it does automatically, because I put some slower stuff in here. Okay, and I think just about now we're going to learn some extra special stuff, and that is a fade out. I'm going to take that a little bit longer, and then I'm going to go down here, add some automation and volume automation, and then I'm going to fade out. Now what I'm doing is I'm clicking on the line, so I get, they're called nodes. So I get a node, and then I can move the volume on either side of the node. So let's hear that, what that sounds like. Alright, somehow I've got the loop back in, so I need to get rid of that. Take this down and undo the loop. Bring my loops back in, and here we go. Okay, and just about there is the 30 seconds, so we need to bring everything back to here. Now somehow we've got to fade out. I'd like to do some kind of long sustained note at the end. That would be that note there, I think. Alright, that's almost there. Take that one out. Whoops, come back. Rewind, there we go. And hear what that sounds like. Alright, I like that with the reverb at the end. Okay, now that's sounding pretty good. In fact, it's sounding so good that there's not much else I can do. Let's have a listen. Well, probably at the start. Because if this is a ringtone, it's a bit... I think I need to bring something in just about here. What could I bring? Don't know. And also at the start is a bit boring, but I think in the interest of time we'll just leave it there. So I'm fairly happy. It's lasting with the fade out. It will go to 30 seconds. To add some more effects in, I can go to here. Let's see, and we can go to nothing there. Okay, and if I might actually do another one that has some effects, because I'll just show you how to save now. So click on your song, ringtone, fanfare, and click on save, and it's saving, and it has to mix down now. And I find one way of speeding it up, or maybe it's just something that's easy, if you exit the studio and go back into here, and there's my ringtone fanfare, and we'll find out as soon as it's mixed. But just so you know how to do it, when it turns into mixed, you can actually click on the download button. Let's see if... No. Okay, I might have that one. So I'll click on download and then find where you want to save it to, and I'll just call it Scary Song 2. So we've already got a scary tone there. And just click on save, make sure it's an MP3 audio. Click on save, and then you've saved it. Okay, I'll look forward to hearing your ringtones. Thanks a lot, see you later.